In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing Telegram bot that actually rewards you with Ton coins just for watching short videos. Yes, it's super simple, beginner-friendly, and you can start earning right away. If you're looking for a legit and easy way to make some extra Ton on your phone, then you're definitely in the right place. So make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing great. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of the new earning apps and bots I'll be sharing. Let's jump right into it. First, use the link that I've put in the comments section of this video and in my Telegram channel to join this bot. After that, tap on Snowflakes to enter the bot's winter event. In this event, you can collect snow by doing simple tasks like checking the bot daily, completing tasks, watching videos, and inviting your friends. By tapping on Rewards, you can convert your snow tokens into different items inside the bot or even into Ton coin. This event ends on March 1st, 2026, and the top 3 users will receive valuable Telegram NFTs. From the Giveaways section, you can join the weekly Ton drawing. Every week, 10 random users will each win 1 Ton, which is completely withdrawable. To participate, you need tickets. To get tickets, tap on Get. From the Watch section, you can earn 1 ticket by watching 20 short videos. If you watch videos from both categories, you can earn 2 tickets in total. You can also buy tickets using coins, Ton, or stars, which I don't recommend doing. In the Leaderboard, you can see the top users. Every week, the top 3 people who watch the most videos receive rewards, and every Sunday, the scores reset for the next week. From the Mini Games, tap on Spin to enter the wheel. By spinning the wheel, you can win a random item. You need tickets for spinning the wheel. Tap on Get to collect tickets. Again, you can get 1 ticket by watching 20 short videos, or you can buy them using coins, Ton, or stars, which I still don't recommend. By tapping Treasures, you can open a loot box and win one of the items shown, but you need keys. To get keys, tap on Get Keys, and by watching 20 videos, you can earn 1 key, or buy keys with coins, Ton, or stars, which I still don't recommend. From the Watch section, you can watch 50 videos per day from each category. For every video you watch, you earn 888 coins. Just tap play, watch the video, then come back to the bot to receive your reward. If one category has no available videos, you can try the others. From the Daily Tasks section, you can earn coins by doing simple tasks like checking the bot, inviting one friend, or visiting the bot's Telegram channel. From the App Tasks section, you can earn coins by starting other bots. To do this, click on this option, and after starting the requested bot, come back to the main bot and click Claim. You can continue doing the rest of the tasks the same way to earn more rewards. From the Social Tasks section, you can earn coins by joining Telegram channels and groups. Click on this option, and after joining the requested channel, return to the bot and click Claim to receive your reward. You can keep joining the other channels as well to collect even more rewards. By clicking on Quests, you can complete different quests and earn rewards. From the Referral Quests section, you can get extra rewards by inviting your friends. The more referrals you bring, the more rewards you earn. From the Check-in Quests section, if you check in to the bot every day consistently, you'll get extra bonuses. From the Gold Earnings Quests section, the more coins you earn inside the bot, the more additional rewards you'll get here. From the Watch Quests section, the more videos you watch, the more rewards you'll receive in this part. From the Social Quests section, the more channels you join, the more extra rewards you'll earn. From the App Quests section, the more bots you start, the more bonus rewards you'll receive. And from the All Tasks Quests section, the more tasks you complete overall, the more additional rewards you'll get. To get your referral link, click on Friends. From here, you can copy your referral link and share it with your friends. For each friend that joins through your link, you will receive 2,000 coins, 2 diamonds, and 20% commission. To withdraw your balance, click on Withdraw. In this section, click Connect Wallet, then copy your TON wallet address from your exchange or preferred wallet and paste it into the field. Then click Save to connect your wallet. After that, choose the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum is 2 million coins, equal to 0.2 TON, and you need 2,000 diamonds to withdraw. Finally, click Withdraw to send your balance to your wallet. Here is a withdrawal proof from one of my friends, which was sent to his wallet without any problem, so you can be confident that this bot really pays.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you understand how to use the bot and earn TON coins step by step. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really means a lot and helps me keep creating more content for you. Also, make sure to join my Telegram channel for updates, extra tips, and more earning platforms. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.